Who's that, buddy?
What is
Is that your brother?
Who's that?
Is that your brother? Oh.
He's trying to get...
Is that your brother?
What is that? Okay, just be careful.
Careful. Oh. Oh. Is that your brother? That's your brother, buddy. That's what you waited for. That's what you waited for, monkey. That's what you waited for. Is that your brother? Oh, I'm crying. So cute.
Kiss his hand leg.
Your kisses? Oh, is that your bro? Oh. Oh my goodness. Who is that?
Oh, you're peeing everywhere.
Oh.
You are.
Oh no,
You're so
you know
happy.
what that is.
You know exactly
You
what that is,
waited.
huh?
Here, take this off. Let me smell his feet. Is that your brother's? You waited for so long. Yeah, you just thank it.
That's the new guy. That's Zakkrey. That's what was in Mommy's tum-tum for so long.
Yeah, look, tingles. Oh my goodness. Who is that? Is that your brother? Oh, hi, honey. Are you excited? Who's excited? Oh.
Start with the little girl.
Yep, gotta snip the butt. It's your brother's. Who's protective already? Oh.
No. You don't look it.
Hey. Shh.
No.
You gotta be quiet.
You don't bark at it.
That's a friend. That's a friend. Who is that? I like how he doesn't even wake up. Oh.
Yeah.
That's your brother.
That's okay. Daddy's got you. Be careful with him.
Yeah.
He's got our scent, huh? That came out of Mommy. He's like, why does he play with me?
Wanna play? Yeah.
I know.
Oh.
No bark. Oh.
Are you happy, Bark? His tail's going like a mile a minute. Okay.
You confused, huh? You confused? You're peeing everywhere.
I know he's excited for his new brother.
That's family member. We protect him. Yeah, he's got our scent, huh?